All right, guys, welcome again. It's been a while. So today we talk about floating divs in Bootstrap Studio. How to float divs inside Bootstrap Studio. So right now, this is the Bootstrap Studio 5 that I have already. So this is Bootstrap Studio I have. So this tutorial can be done for any of the bootstraps you have. So right here, I'm going to search for now for those who are new to Bootstrap, you can watch my previous video on the channel about the introduction to Bootstrap, where I talked about the forms, the header, the footer, JS slider, etc. But today we are trying to float divs inside of the Bootstrap. So right here, I'll search for a section tag. Now this tutorial is for beginners. All right, so a section tag, I'll drag it into the body just like this. So you can drop it right here, either here or into the body, just like that, and you can see it will reflect in the overview. Okay, so now let's give it a height. So go to appearance, give it a height of let's say 350px. That's the height that we have there already, of 350px. Okay, so the next thing to do now is for us to search for okay, before that, since we want to float the two divs together, div represent division, that's the full meaning. So we can try to do this now. So we are going to turn this to we are going to make the section, make every div inside float. So we are going to this HTML code right here. Then we'll be saying, giving it a class name. That's under attribute class name. We'll call it a class name of row. Okay, just row, that's enough. Press enter, that's for row. So the row there is a class from the Bootstrap within the studio that makes elements float left and right. So the next thing to do now is for us to get a div. So search for a div now, and drag the div inside this empty row just like this. Okay, then also we need to give this div a class of col. So right here, a class name of col -md-6. That means you should take a medium size of 6, because we'll be having two divs inside here. All right, so right now just press enter now for that one. Then also we can duplicate that particular. You can see now that div has floated towards the left hand side. Then also you can select this div, right click on it and choose duplicate, and you can see we have two divs floating left and right. But mind you, this also can be done when you search for the word row. Then you get one row that having two columns. All right, so I'm just showing us the code behind what we have in the studio already. So please try and subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.